where does the name for Moel y Ci come from? So today we're on the slopes of Moel y Ci in a place called Parc y Bwlch in Gwynedd. Let's get into the name. The name Moel y Ci can be broken down into three elements. The first, Moel, originally meant bald, but in Welsh place names it refers to a bare or treeless hill, higher than a typical hill but not a mountain. The second element, means the, and the final element, ci, means a dog, and that derives from Proto-Brythonic ci, from Proto-Celtic cw, and ultimately from Proto-Indo-European quo. It's cognate with cw in Irish and canis in Latin, and also hound in English. Melville Richards, a leading scholar of Welsh toponymy, argued that the original form of the name was Moel y Ci. In this interpretation, Moel again means a bare hill, whilst y Ci is a personal name. Historical spellings also support this view, with Moel y Ci recorded in 1627 and Moel y Ci in 1828. By around 1838, however, the name had stabilised in its present form, Moel y Ci. At the summit of Moel y Ci are the remains of a burial cairn, probably dating to the Bronze Age. And here on the edge of Moel y Ci is a settlement and a stone called Carreg y Gath, which is just behind me here. And that means the stone, the rock of the cat, and I think it was named that in contrast to Moel y Ci. The naming here suggests a certain sense of humour amongst those who came before us. With the nearby hill known as Moel y Ci, the hill of the dog, it seems fitting that a nearby stone would be called Carreg y Gath, the stone of the cat. Thanks are due to the local resident who kindly came out and assisted me in locating Carreg y Gath. Her help was greatly appreciated. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe. And if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, and a couple outside of it as well sometimes, you can on my Patreon. The link's in my bio. Diolch, have a good one.